Hey guys, what up? So in today's video I got something a little bit different. I was out here flying my little drone, my little mini FPV drone, still trying to learn how to fly it, and I didn't record none of the flights or nothing because it's too much pressure right now. I'm still trying to learn. So but I crashed it. I banged it into the pavement and it broke. See right here? Like, the drone is still good, it flies, and nothing else is broke besides the frame. All I broke was this frame right here. See how it's cracked? But yeah, I broke it, but everything else on it is still good. So let me show you what I'm gonna do to fix it. Alright guys, I'm in here in my office now with my 3D printer and my computer. And as you can see over there, I got my Makerbot Replicator 3D printer. And I found here on the computer, let me turn you around here. I found here on the computer a whole new frame for my exact drone. So there it is, guys, it finally loaded. Tinyhawk freestyle frame. And there's the frame, that's the exact frame that's on it now. So I'm gonna click down here, thing files, upper frame and lower frame. All I need right now is the lower frame, so I'm gonna click download, save it, it's finished. Alright guys, I'm gonna put this thing on the printer and put you guys on a time lapse. Over here's my printer. I'm gonna send this job to the printer software and put you guys on a time lapse, and then we're gonna fix the drone. There it is, guys. There's the frame. Let me get the settings set up and get it sliced up and get it sent over to the printer. There we go, guys. Heating the extruder. It's got to heat up. Then it'll be printing right there. I'm going to switch you over to the time lapse. Alright guys, as you saw, it's all done. Let's get it off of here and get it ready to rebuild the drone. There we go. There it is. Alright guys, here we go. We got the 3D printed frame. The new 3D printed frame. Right here, it's exact match to the old one. So here we go. We're going to start taking all the parts off of this broken frame and putting them on this 3D printed frame. Here we go. Alright guys, I got it all fixed and back together as you saw in the video. Here it is. So here's the broken frame. Here's the frame I broke. The original frame that it snapped on me because I crashed it. And here's the 3D printed frame. I changed everything over. So all we got left to do now is test it out. So let's see how it works.
Telemetry recovered.
Dang. Well, it's working. It's back working, but it's acting funny. I'm gonna see if I can't get Tommy to help me with it. Cause it's working, it's just acting funny. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I got it back working, it's just not working perfectly. We got to do some tuning on it. It's like trying to jet off, so I'm gonna have Tommy look at it and help me with it. But I did repair it, and I did 3D print the frame and put it all back together, and it powers up. Just got to do some tuning. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. See you in the next video.